Well, the Department of Justice and a group of states may be opening the door to the most significant antitrust penalties for a tech giant in a generation. The DOJ has formally proposed a partial breakup of Google, urging a federal judge to force a sale of the company's web browser, Chrome. The high-profile case focuses on the tactics that Google used to become the dominant search engine in the United States. A ruling earlier this year had found that Google had violated U.S. antitrust laws, shutting out smaller search engines from the market. Our Elizabeth Schulze joins us now to just kind of explain what this all means. How strong is this case, you think, and what changes could we see if the penalties are approved?
Kara, we're looking at potentially massive changes when it comes to Google and its lucrative business model. I mean, keep in mind the suggestion from the Department of Justice that Google needs to sell Chrome would drastically upend the landscape for the tech company and also for consumers. 3.5 billion people, Kira, use Chrome as their main search engine. It is by far the most dominant player in that market, about 70% of market share. The next best option, if you go down the list, is Safari, which doesn't even have 20% market share. And that was really at the crux of the DOJ's argument. They said that Google is shutting out competitors. It simply has too much power and it's a monopoly. And of course, we have seen Google fiercely push back on those claims. It argues that it enables competition, that this is what consumers want, and any attempt to break it off would ultimately mean less choice and would harm consumers, Google says. So we do expect a decision on this from the judge next year, but probably a longer legal protracted battle ahead. And I think it is ultimately worth noting is even if they do have to sell it off, Kira, who's going to buy Chrome? Because that would come with a big price tag, and that could raise its own antitrust concerns too.
All right, Elizabeth Schulze, glad we have you. Thank you.